Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to transfer your site on Wix. I'll show you this on the web version. Start by navigating to your site's dashboard. You should see your site's homepage with various management options. This is where we'll begin. At the top of the homepage, click the Site Actions icon. A drop-down menu appears showing site management functions, including transfer, duplication, and deletion. From that drop-down, select Transfer Site. The Transfer Ownership form opens. This is where you'll enter all the transfer details. In the first field, labeled Who will be the new site owner, enter the email address associated with the new owner's Wix account. The form accepts the email and additional options appear below. If the person doesn't have a Wix account yet, they'll be prompted to create one when accepting the transfer. Below the email field, choose a description of your relationship with your transferee. Options include client, agency or freelancer, or someone else. This field may appear as, if necessary, it's not always required. Next, you'll see 3 to 5 checkboxes depending on your site's features. Select or deselect what you want to transfer along with the site. The main options are Transfer Site Plan, Transfer Domain and Business Email, and Transfer Premium Apps. The Business Email option only appears if you purchased a Google Workspace email from Wix. Premium Apps automatically transfer with the site. Below the transfer options, you'll see a checkbox that says, Keep my role as co-owner of this site after the transfer. If you select this, you'll remain a collaborator with limited access. If you leave it unchecked, you'll lose all access after the transfer. The new owner can revoke your access at any time if you stay on as co-owner. There's also an optional checkbox to create a copy of this site and keep it in your account. If you select this, you'll be prompted to enter a name for the copy. Once you've made your selections, click the Continue button at the bottom. A transfer summary page appears showing all your selections. Review everything carefully, then tick the confirmation box. The Transfer Ownership button becomes active after you check the box. Click Transfer Ownership. A confirmation message appears. This initiates the transfer on your end. Click Got It. You'll return to your dashboard, and the site shows a pending ownership label. The recipient has 3 days to accept the transfer. They'll receive an email with the subject line, Wix website is being transferred to you. You can check the status or resend the invite under Roles and Permissions on your site's dashboard. Once they accept, your payment information doesn't transfer. The new owner manages all future subscription payments. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.